Good morning. We're at 257 North Tacoma. This is Charles with 360 Real Estate Investing in partnership with Gear Realty. All right, we're going to walk in here. This room right here was a patio, porch, whatever you want to call it. So it was an exterior at some point that's been closed up. And then we've got walking into the main living area here. So as you can see, I mean, this is definitely a complete gut job down to the studs, etc. It's got a good sized floor plan though. Lots of square footage here. The room sizes that are already in place are of a good size, making it certainly attractive from that perspective. These drop ceilings that are here, obviously you could raise them back up to make even taller ceilings than already currently exist, which is very attractive for homes of this style. I'm not sure that the wood floors, some of them are probably salvageable, but for the most part, they appear to be in pretty bad shape. I don't know, it's really hard to tell on some of this. There's a lot of buckling that's going on here. Some just completely missing stuff. So, you know, you could probably replace some of this, strip it all the way down and resurface it to make it match throughout, but definitely a project without question. So go back in here, storage areas, and we're looking at what is the kitchen current layout, right? Again, gut job that goes here. Back door here goes to the back of the house. Stairs here, they go up there. If you guys want it, we'll come back out and do the upstairs for you. I've been up there. It's a finished out attic. It's got a good amount of space up there. Probably want to do a little bit more work on it. There is not, that I could see or recall, any plumbing that's up there, but again, in these types of homes, shouldn't be too difficult to do that, to be able to put some sort of a bathroom up there. If I'm looking for the bathroom on the downstairs portion of the home, I think, again, hard to really tell because of, this would be, I think the bathroom is in here. But again, we're talking about a complete gut job here on this. So some of the wood, I'm sure, is going to be in fantastic condition. Some of it's going to, need to be replaced. But overall, just think about the gut job. This has got a great floor plan, size, neighborhood, etc. So let's head back out, see if I can get towards the back of the house for you guys. Walking through here. Okay. Again, take a look at the house here. It's got breaches all up and down, right? So the exterior is going to need to be redone as well. We'll walk here to the back of the house. As I was walking through earlier, there are animals taking shelter in here because of the breaches. Trying to get protection from the cold. All right, we have a very large outbuilding here. Brick sides. So the walls could be in good structure, but certainly the roof and everything on the inside here, I mean, you can see a breach right there. That's of concern. So I don't know that I don't think that this is something that you tear down. I think you can keep it with the walls here, but I mean, the roof's caving in there. So definitely you're gonna be completely redoing this, but this is a really large space here. This is also something that you could add in as an extra income producing unit. So lots of opportunity here from an income perspective, I think. Here's the back of the house. Again, breaches throughout, which is not to be, completely expected on this property. All right, thanks again for your time. Please let us know if you have any questions, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.